Good morning students, I am Ravi Anand is again here to teach you physics for class 10th. Today we will continue the chapter electricity. Firstly, we will discuss about Ohm's law. In 1827, a German physicist George Simon Ohm found out a relationship between electric current flowing in metallic wire and potential difference across the ends of metallic wire. Thus, Ohm's law gives a relationship between current and potential difference. According to Ohm's law, the potential difference across the ends of given wire is directly proportional to electric current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. That is, V is directly proportional to I, implies that V is equal to IR, where R is a constant for the metallic wire at a given temperature and is called its resistance. In other words, V upon I is equal to constant, which is equal to resistance, that is, the ratio of potential difference applied between the ends of a conductor and current flowing through it is constant, called resistance. Let us discuss about the unit of resistance. As R is equal to V upon I and the unit of potential difference is volt and unit of current is ampere, so the unit of resistance is equal to volt upon ampere, which is called ohm. Now we define 1 ohm. As 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere, so 1 ohm is the resistance of a conductor when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied to the ends and a current of 1 ampere flows through it. Graph between V and I, which is also called Ohm's law graph. If a graph is drawn between electric current along x-axis and potential difference along y-axis, the graph is found out a straight line passing through the origin. A straight line graph can be obtained only if the two quantities are directly proportional to each other. Thus, by the graph, we can say that voltage is directly proportional to the current. Here, the slope of line OA represents the resistance. As we know that the slope of line passing through origin is equal to change in y upon change in x. So, here it will be change in V upon change in I, which is equal to resistance. If we draw a graph in which potential difference is along x-axis and current is along y-axis, then here slope of line OA will represent 1 upon R. Now, we will discuss about some numericals. So, first numerical is a flash of lightning carries 10 coulomb of charge which flows for 0.01 second. What is the current? Here it is given that electric charge Q is equal to 10 coulomb, time t is equal to 0.01 second and electric current is to be found. We know that I is equal to Q upon T. So, I will be 10 upon 0.01. So, I will be 1000 ampere. Now, we come towards second problem. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference of 12 volt? Here it is given that electric charge Q is equal to 2 coulomb, potential difference V is equal to 12 volt. So, we know that V is equal to W upon Q. So, by this formula W will be V into Q. So, W equal to 12 into 2. So, the work done is found to be 24 joule. Next problem is potential difference between 2 points of a wire carrying 2 ampere current is 0.1 volt. Calculate the resistance between these points. Here it is given that potential difference V is equal to 0.1 volt, current I is equal to 2 ampere and resistance is to be obtained. So, using the formula V is equal to IR, R will be V upon I and R is equal to 0.1 upon 2 and we get the value of R is equal to 0.05 ohm. So, our today's topic is over. Note the all things which I told today. Thank you.